Hello everyone, in this video tutorial today I am going to tell you how we can make a quiz on any topic in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for making this tutorial video I am using Microsoft PowerPoint Office 365 version. So because it has the latest features. So let's start. So for this quiz I have chosen the topic as Quizzoot. So you can write the name of the school with this, and I can make it left aligned, and then here I'm going to write the name of the activity. So let's say it's ICT activity 2 and the class. So now let us make the slide look beautiful and colorful. So for that I'm using design theme. So for using design theme I'm going to click on design tab and I'll choose a theme. For example, I have taken this theme. So once you choose a design theme, you will not have to take care of the font color combination and the colors on the slides. So everything will be taken care of well by the design theme itself, and you can experiment with different varieties of color combinations if you feel, if you need to, and so you can see there are different color combinations, and accordingly the font color will also change in it. So once you are ready with your design theme, then you can start proceeding towards building your content further. So now I'm going to add one more slide. So I'm using keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus M to add the new slide. On the second slide, I have to add questions. So what my plan is that when I will conduct the quiz in my class, I'm going to show questions one by one, and I'll wait for the audience to answer. And when my audience will answer, then I will show the answer. So my planning will be in such a manner that when I will show the quiz, when I will present the quiz in the classroom, the question will not be visible. It will come when I will click. So whatever question I am going to throw and whatever question I am going to put up in front of the audience, it will come with a click, which means I will have to animate the question. So in this tutorial I am going to tell you how we can make a quiz where questions will come on click and pictures will come on click, the answer will come on click, and so on. I will also tell you how you can add GIF images or simple images also in PowerPoint presentation. So to begin with, here goes my first question. So question number 1, for example, I am going to write this invention by Thomas Edison lit up our lives. So some of you must be knowing the answer already. So for this invention I am choosing that when I will pop up, when this question will come on the screen during presentation, the answer will remain hidden till the time audience will answer. So I will give some timer, I'll give some time for them to answer it, and after that I will show the answer. So for answer I am going to use the picture of bulb, the light bulb also, and the name also. So to do that, let us say I am going to find out picture of light bulb by going to insert tab, and in insert I am going to find online pictures. So it's an advantage with Microsoft PowerPoint 365 version that you can search online pictures there and then, and since these pictures are common stock images, you need not cite them also. You need not mention that from where you have taken the pictures. So I am going to write light bulb. Let's say if I am looking for animated picture of light bulb, then I can directly search for GIF image here. So you can see this is Creative Commons, which means I can cite them. So let me see if I get a picture which is a GIF here. I don't know whether it's a GIF or a simple image. Okay, it's a GIF. Perfect. Okay, so now this is my image. Now once the answer, the picture will be there on the screen, I also want that the name of the picture, the light bulb answer, should also be displayed. So for that, I am not going to use a simple text box. I am going to use word art instead. So from there, I have chosen this style, and I am going to write. Okay, I can delete this, it's not required. I can just write flash light bulb as the answer. Now the main part of my presentation will begin now, and that is that I have to add animations and also transition effects. So to add animations, I am going to select my question first. Please remember the order, the sequence in which you will put animation will be the sequence in which your animation will appear during slideshow. If you will animate the picture first and then you will animate the question first, then in your slideshow, the picture will come first and question will come later. So this sequence, it should be absolutely correct. That's why you need to plan your presentation well. So my planning is that first the question will come and then the answer will come. So I'm going to animate the question first by selecting the question text box, and then I will go to animations tab, and for example, for my question I am using float in. Now this is the animation effect, float in. In this I have some varieties which I can use. So you can float in up or you can float down. So let us say I'm using float down. Now you can also control the speed of your animation by opening this animation pane on the right hand side and then clicking this down arrow and exploring the options like timing. In timing, right now you can see it's 1 second, that's pretty fast. If you want, you can make it to medium, or if you want, you can make it to even very fast. I would suggest keep it on a medium or fast speed only. Now, so if you want to repeat the animation, you can repeat it also, but for this quiz type animation, it's not required. So this is the preview. You can see how your animation will look like and how the object, the text box will come, the text will come during slideshow. Now, I have to, very important setting is that you will have to check what is the start setting of your animation, which means that when the animation will appear, when this text box will come, when this question will come. So right now you can see it's the start setting is on click, because I want my question to come when I will click. So this is a very important setting and you must take care of it. Now for the animation of this light bulb, I am using shape, and in shape also there are so many options available, shape in and shape out. So I am using shape out and shape out in plus. So this is my animation effect that I have applied on this light bulb picture, and the speed is, let us say, what is the speed? It is medium. Okay, now for this I will keep the start setting as on click, because this is my answer. This is my answer and this will come when I will click. The answer should not come during the quiz till the time you do not click. So please make sure that your setting is correct. Now for light bulb I am choosing, let us say, I can use bounce. And for light bulb I want that when the picture of this light bulb will come, then with the picture only, that means at the same time the light bulb text should also come. So for this third animation, light bulb, I will keep the start setting as with previous, which means that whenever the previous animation, number 2 animation will come, with that the number 3 animation, light bulb animation, will also come. And that is why you can see the number will be same for both the two objects. That means light bulb and text will come together. So with this, my second slide, my first question is ready. So let us see how does it look. And before that, let us put transitions also. Transitions means the effects that will determine how your slide will appear during the slideshow. So you can use transition effects from here by selecting the slide and going to transitions. So let us say I am going to use for first slide I am going to use curtains as my transition effect, and for the next slide I am using, let us say, prestige. Okay, so this is my way of thinking. You can choose a different transition, and if you want to keep the same transition effect on all the slides, then you will just click apply to all button. So now let us see how my slideshow is looking when I am going to conduct this quiz in the class. So to open the slides in slideshow mode, I will go to slideshow and I will click from beginning, or I can click on this icon slideshow from here, or I can simply use Alt key and function key F5 together. So this is my slideshow. This is the first screen, the first slide. As you saw just now, it was coming with some curtain effect. Now, when I go to the next slide, so prestige transition effect. Now the content is not there. There is no question, because the question, for animating the question, I put the start setting as on click. So when I will click, then only the question will be displayed. So I am clicking now. Here comes my question. Now I want the answer to come when I will click, because I will ask the question in the class and then I will wait for the answer from the audience. And when the audience will answer, after that I will show my answer. So I am going to click again to show the answer. So you will see, if you noticed, that both light bulb and light bulb picture and light bulb text both will come together, because the light bulb picture is on click animation, the start setting is on click, whereas the start setting of light bulb text is with previous. So the moment the picture of light bulb will come on the screen, at the same time exactly light bulb will also come, the text will also come. So like this we can create a quiz having a number of questions, and each question, the flow of the quiz can be controlled by the start setting of your animation, and you can put transition effects to just create some interest in your quiz and just make it look better. So when I want to close my slideshow, I can just press escape key. So we are back to the normal view of the slides again. So like this, I have already created a sample quiz which I can just show it to you here. So if I run the slideshow of this quiz quickly, so this is the first slide, the title slide. I have used a GIF image of a thinking question mark symbol. So this I have taken from Google. Now second slide, question, answer. Third slide, question, answer. Then now third question and answer. Fourth question and answer. And then we have the fifth question and the answer. So like this you can create a quiz of 5 questions in which questions will come and then the answer will come when you will click. And then for my last slide also I have used an animated thank you GIF. That's it. So I hope this will help you in making a quiz for your ICT activity. Thank you very much guys.